Hello, good day. Welcome to another video of Tech Academy. So in this video, we prepare everything you need to start learning HTML and CSS. We will go over the tools required, including a text editor and a web browser. By the end, you'll be ready to write your first line of code. So first, you need a text editor. This is where you write your HTML and CSS code. I recommend VS Code. It's free and beginner friendly. Other options include Sublime Text and Notepad. Next, you need a browser to preview your work. Chrome and Firefox are excellent choices. So let's set up our VS Code. First, open our browser and search VS Code. Click on this. Depending on the operating system you're using, I'm using Windows, so we'll click download from Windows. So now that it's done downloading, click on the install. So I'll accept the agreement. Next, create a desktop add yes. Next, then click on install. Start installing. So when that it has been installed, we will open it. Now you can see a clean interface ready for coding. It also supports extensions like a live server for real-time code preview. So now let's set up our browser. If you don't already have Chrome or Firefox, install one of them. These browsers have great developer tools that will help you debug and preview your HTML and CSS projects. So let's test everything. Our VS Code is open. So now we'll create a new file. We will name it index.html. Save it on our desktop. So now let's write a simple line of code. H1 hello world. We save. Go to our file explorer on our desktop. This is our code. Open mine on Chrome. Depends on any browser you have. So hello world have been displayed. Congratulations, your setup is complete. So now you are all set. You have installed your text editor and browser, and you have successfully tested your setup. In the next video, we will dive into writing your first HTML document. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you. See you in the next lesson.